So my name is Mark Cowan, I'm the head of HR for Scottish Leather Group, and we are the largest sustainable leather manufacturer in the UK, but also the world's lowest carbon leather producer in the world too. So we don't have a strict limit on what a young person's skills should have, but what we really do look for is commitment, enthusiasm, looking to work as part of a team, and really hungry to learn new things to help us be as successful as we've been in the past. It really depends on what they're interested in. I mean, as a business, we have a number of disciplines, as I've said, HR, finance, marketing, account management. But within the manufacturing environment, we've got real kind of skilled workers, from maintenance engineers, production operators. But we've got a quality department. We've got a technical team, which includes chemistry and manufacturing floor and all those types of disciplines. So it really depends on what they're interested in. What I can say is we can offer pretty much room for a role for someone who's interested in most things which are out there. We do that on a case-by-case basis, but also we've been speaking to the National Manufacturing Institute of Scotland about foundation apprentices, which we hope to begin next year, and that's around anyone who's still at school, who's interested in perhaps coming straight from school into work, and we can absolutely offer those types of placements, and again offering those out to within our back office functions, but also within quality, technical, but again within engineering too. So that's definitely something we're looking at. So we've got a number of ways that you can join Scottish Leather Group. We've got an Apprenticeship Academy, and that's been going for about the last 10 years. And in that programme, a young person would come through the recruitment process, and I said what we'd be looking for there is enthusiasm, drive, commitment, and really want to be part of a team and be successful. They would join an 18-month rotation, and that would mean that they would work in every single part of the process throughout the manufacturing process and learn it really from the ground up. Then after the 18 months they would complete their SVQ, and at the end of the SVQ we would look to put them in a role that suits them, and obviously something that we would try and fill within our succession planning process. Another way is that we're looking to bring people on is through the graduate programme, and in that we've got, being a manufacturer, we've got a number of key skills that we need outside the manufacturing process, and that would include HR, marketing, finance, all the support functions. So we would be looking at from graduates who've potentially got a degree in that discipline. From a technological perspective, as I said, manufacturing 4 is an area that we're really looking to implement within all our manufacturing processes. So a degree in manufacturing engineering or in data IT skills is absolutely something that we'd be keen to explore. So we have a long heritage of manufacturing. We've been around for almost 200 years. So with that, we've got lots and lots of experience, lots and lots of people in the business who've been here for a long time, and some new people who have just joined. So there's a real blend between experience and I guess fresh intake. Anyone coming into this company would absolutely feel that. Would feel that there's a family feel within the business. We absolutely invest in training. Training is something that we are very proud of. We've been doing for a long time, and they would absolutely be supported through that. And if they want to be with Scottish Leather Group and have a career with Scottish Leather Group, and they have the commitment and the drive and the teamwork and the ethic, they will absolutely achieve that. Yes, so we've got a number of employees who, again, have been through the programme, and they're currently 2 attending university now. So anyone who has been through the apprenticeship programme, if they would like to, we can offer them a place at Northampton University, and they can complete a degree in leather manufacturing. We fully sponsor that. It's a fully full degree programme. They would live down in Northampton, and we would pay for that accommodation. And then at the end of that programme, they came out with a degree in leather manufacturing, and then from that they would move on to a role within the business, within the technical department. And again, that's because leather manufacturing is a very specialist and very technical process. We need that expertise in the business so that we continue to be successful.